We are going to find the wavelength of the given laser. In this experiment, we are using semiconductor diode laser. To find the wavelength, here we need the apparatus like laser source. The laser source is semiconductor diode, and one more thing is diffraction grating and diffraction grating stand. To find the distance, we are using meter scale. By using these apparatus, we have to find the wavelength of this semiconductor diode laser. The wavelength, first laser source here we are taking and place this diffraction grating into the grating stand. Now switch on the laser source. Switch on the semiconductor diode laser. This laser we have to send through the grating, diffraction grating. When this incident laser source is travel through this diffraction grating, the diffraction pattern can observe on the screen. So in this experiment, we are using this wall as a screen. So this diffraction pattern on the screen. So if you first order, second order, third order, if you have to get this diffraction, we are using diffraction. To get this diffraction pattern here, from this semiconductor diode laser source, when it travels from that incident direction through this diffraction grating, that light is deviating from that direction to the other path, because here that refractive index medium is changing. So from this center to here, the distance is 70. Screen to this grating stand, the distance is 70. For this 70, in dark room we can observe many diffraction fringes here. So in these diffraction fringes, if you observe, the central spot is always, this is the main laser source, okay, which one passes through the diffraction grating. So now here for first order, from this central spot, LHS side, one fringe, and RH side one fringe you consider. So now here for first order at 70 centimeters, I am measuring the distance between the two maxima. It's that value here we got 10.5. 10.5. This is for first order 10.5. So first order we got 2x value is 10.5. Next you consider second order. So for second order, from the central spot, take 1, 2, this side 1, 2. Starts from here to here. Here you measure the values. Here we got like this. When light is on, we cannot observe very clearly this diffraction pattern. This is central. First, second, third. First, second, third. So now from this third to here third. So 30.